Are squeaky doors driving you crazy? Here's how to silence them instantly, dad style. First, grab a household lubricant. WD-40 works best, but if you don't have any, a dab of petroleum jelly, cooking oil, or even bar soap can do the trick. Open the door wide and locate the hinges carefully. Place a towel underneath to catch any drips or excess lubricant. If using spray, aim directly at the hinge pin and all moving parts, then swing the door back and forth several times to work the lubricant deep inside. For bar soap or petroleum jelly, rub it generously onto the hinges and again, move the door to distribute the lubricant evenly. If the squeaking persists, try removing the hinge pins. Just tap them out gently with a hammer and nail. Wipe off any dust, rust, or debris. Coat them thoroughly with lubricant and slide them back in smoothly. While you're at it, check and tighten any loose screws on the hinges to prevent future noise. These quick fixes take only minutes and require no special tools or skills. Silence those squeaks and enjoy peace at home. The simple, effective way. No more squeaky interruptions, just smooth, quiet doors every time you open or close them.